She's a diamond. She's a diamond girl. She's a diamond. Diamond, diamond, diamond.
Hi YouTube, it's Princess Diamond. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. So I'll be recreating these short passion braids. I did those red ones last year and I wanted to do it again, but with a different color. So this time we're using braiding hair color 27 and color 30 mixed together. And this is what they look like blended. And when I did the braids last year, I actually didn't use regular braiding hair. I used some type of braiding hair from Bobbi. I will try to link it down below, but I couldn't find it at my local beauty supply store, so I just went for the regular expression braiding hair. And then I also added in this Bobbi water wave crochet hair. I actually only used 3 packs. And then what I did was I cut the crochet hair in half, so right down the middle, because since the braids were not going to be long, I didn't need them to be that long. I won't do a lot of talking in this video, but I did want to give you guys a little more details on how I did this style. So I started with doing the knotless braids, just how I normally do knotless braids. And if you want a more in-depth tutorial on how to do knotless braids, I do have a video on that. You can check that out. So then once I have the braiding hair in, I then add in pieces of the water wave crochet hair one at a time. And I didn't really count, but I would say about 5 on average is what I added. And so then once I got that added and I braid the hair down to where I wanted to stop, and then I add in rubber bands at the end. After I added the rubber band, I then started to pull out the braids to give it that butterfly or passion look. And then once I did that, that is when I went in and snipped it at the bottom. One thing I will say is you want to make sure that you're not braiding tight, because these are going to hurt your fingers when you're trying to pull at the braids, especially if the braids are too tight. So if you're not a tight braider, this style is perfect for you. If you normally do braid tight, just want to loosen it up a little bit. These braids do not need to be tight. Another thing I would say is to make sure you don't cut it until you have pulled at the hair. So you want to pull at your hair first, or pull out the braids first to give it that butterfly, passion, whatever look. And then you want to snip it, because while you're pulling it, you're going to be pulling the hair up. So you don't want to make it shorter than what you intend it to be. When I did these braids last year, I recorded it and posted it on my TikTok. It was those red braids you see in the beginning of this video, and it went crazy, especially for one of my first videos on TikTok. Like currently it had like 16,000 views. I know that's not huge, but I'm not really big on TikTok. I don't post a lot. So I was like, oh, you guys are feeling this. So I'm like, let me recreate this and give a more detailed tutorial on how to do this. Now, I will say I like the way I did it the first time better, but I think that's only because of the Bobbi braiding hair that I used. I think it helped with the ends being curly to give it more of a distressed look. So I would recommend, if you're able to get that Bobbi hair, to go ahead and purchase it. But if you're not, you can still achieve this look with using just regular braiding hair. Now, just to clarify, I'm not talking about the Bobbi water wave hair. That you will definitely need for this style. I'm talking about the Bobbi braiding hair. So I didn't show that because I didn't have it. So make sure to check the link in the description below to see if you can purchase it, or see if your local beauty supply store carries it. I'm going to stop talking now, allow you guys to watch all the way through. If you do like this style, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Please help the channel out. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. If you've seen a few of my videos and you haven't subscribed yet, sis, what you waiting for? Support us, support the channel. Subscribe, and I'd greatly appreciate it. I will talk to you guys in my next video. I hope you guys be blessed, stay protected, stay filled with love and peace. Bye, guys.
It's fake. Cater to you.
on whatever I'm not fulfilling. Another woman is willing. I'm gonna fulfill you, my body and spirit. When you come home, tell me on my shoulder, I roll over. Baby, I heard you. I'm here to serve. All you need, even is some joy. I'm on you.
Okay, I'm reloaded.
Original. Original bad man, mash up the place. And a bad man, mash up the place. Original bad man, and a bad man, mash up the place. And a bad man, mash up the place.
She said no, 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 no.
And a bad man, mash up the place. And a bad man, mash up the place.
She said yeah,
and a bad man, mash up the place. And a bad man, mash up the place. Original bad man. And a bad man, mash up the place. And a bad man, mash up the place.
Body nice. See, I got them here, them are moving right. See the girls, them a got me hypnotized. Them a make a bad man feel alright. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Man, I tell her when she go low. Say you gonna get me when I'm all low. Man, I tell her when she go low. Bad man, I put you in a photo. Count down, she a put me on a rundown. Go down, she a give me on a low now. Go down anywhere you wanna go now. Bad man, me a put you on a first class.
no, 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 no.
And a bad man, mash up the place. And a bad man, mash up the place.
She said yeah,
and a bad man, mash up the place. And a bad man, mash up the place. And a bad man, mash up the place. And a bad man, mash up the place.
So baby, what you gonna do? Calling all your friends when they come through. So you really your number one I control. So you really, really meant for the girls when they come through. Come through. Bad man, say she want, say she really want, say she try to be the one. Calm down, take it slow. Say the girl, them a coming at me, yeah, them a give me low. If you tripping, let me know what you really want. Is it riding with me or you really dirt? Them a girls, them a tell me that you really not. Make up your mind, let me know if you really got.
no, 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 no.
And a bad man, mash up the place. And a bad man, mash up the place.
She said yeah,
and a bad man, mash up the place. 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 Bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe.
Original bad man.
Turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the
It's
vibe.
fake hitters.
Bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe.
Away from you, making sure that I'm moving my body.